Hey, you guys, welcome to the Doxey Takeover. My name is Modesty, and today I have a cleaning video for you guys. I am just going to be doing laundry and really focusing on my living room, where I'll be cleaning, dusting, vacuuming, wiping down my couch as per usual. I'm using like the Lysol disinfecting wipes just to wipe down my couch because it's leather and I like to, wipe it down every so often. So, yeah. But I am going to do a little chit chat before I cue the music for y'all. So, I just really wanted to come on and here and chat about how I am really becoming into myself, like becoming the woman that I've always desired to be. I am almost 37 years old. No, not almost. Actually, I'm 37 years old, y'all. Just turned 37. um, I recently had a birthday, and yeah, so now your girl is 37. I used to be very insecure, very shy, very quiet, and introvert. And it's took me some time to actually climb out of that rabbit hole, basically, because I'm just looking at life, and life will pass you by. You don't realize years just flying by. Your children are getting older, you know, you are getting older, and you're not where you used to be. And you have to remind yourself, those things. And for me, I was just having a moment, and I am a believer in God. Like, y'all, I pray every day and journal and try to pour into myself. But lately here, I have noticed I have really been pouring into myself a lot. So, like, even my husband was like, babe, you got this glow going on about yourself right now. And little does he know is I am speaking more kinder to myself. I am being more patient with myself. I am allowing myself like time to, sit in my emotions, whatever I may be going through at that moment, and then get out of those emotions and remind myself of you are this and you are that, and you are more than enough, and you are smart, you are intelligent, you are just speaking all of these like positive informations. And I just want to remind the other women, like you guys out there, male or female, teenager, kid, whatever. I just want to remind you guys that, you know, how you speak to yourself matters. It definitely matters. And be gentle, be kind to yourself. When I say speak to yourself, forgive yourself and tell yourself you forgive you for whatever that may be that you felt like you messed up on and made a mistake on. Tell yourself how much you love you. Like, I love the fact that you are going after what it is that you want to go after. I'm proud of you for whatever you're proud of yourself of, just even editing a video like me right now. I'm proud of me for editing my video. I'm proud of me for uploading my video and having the courage to even sit down or to even just set up the camera, because a lot of people are like, no, I'm gonna look stupid. People are gonna talk about me. Who cares? Like, who freaking cares? Let them talk. So right now, I just wanted to chat with you guys like about all of that, because it's very important. It's very crucial that you speak life into yourself. And you don't have to splurge on yourself just to do like a self-care day, or like a what do they call it, y'all know, like, it don't have to be material. like just to give yourself self-love. It could be a simple facial, a simple mirror time, like some mirror time where you're in the mirror and you're just admiring every single thing about your body, whether it's a roll, whether it's hanging skin, whether it is a thick thigh or a skinny thigh, whether it is dramatic, like big type of hair or nails, toes. I don't know. I'm just saying, just admiring you, just pouring into yourself. Like, I love my roll. I love my thick thighs. I love my big butt. I love my skinny legs. I love I love how tall I am. Like stuff like that. Just loving on you. And for me, I journal. I journal a lot. I write notes to God. I journal to myself. And I also do this Lisa Nichols, excuse me, y'all. I also do this little Lisa Nichols writing, what do you call it? Little shindig, basically, where you tell yourself you're proud of yourself and you forgive yourself and you commit to yourself. And that has really been working for me. Like, I haven't told anyone in my family what I was doing when it comes down to that, but that's what I've been doing. Even when the people that has been in my life that has tried to make my life miserable, family, friends, so-called friends, I would say, like when they have tried to make my life miserable and trigger me, no, I protect my peace, my space. Listen, you have to protect your mental space, your peace, just everything, because misery loves company. That is real. People love to pull you down where they are, and you're not there. You are flying high, so don't scoop to other people's level, because that's not you. You don't have to. Who says you have to react in a certain way that others are reacting? No, you can literally chunk up the deuce and turn the left cheek or the right cheek and keep it moving, So I just wanted to encourage anyone that, is going through that phase of becoming that woman or trying to get to that phase of becoming that woman, because trust me, you're going to thank yourself. You're going to thank yourself in the future, like for real, for real. So go after your dreams, go after your goals, go after whatever it may be. Cut off a relationship if you want to, cut off a friendship if you want to, cut off whatever is toxic to you. Get it away from you. Like, get from around it. Like, if you can't mentally, you can like tunnel vision onto, just go into, like, literally turn on that tunnel vision for whatever you are desiring. Like, if you see your end goal being away from, let's say if it's a toxic family, you're a teenager and you don't want to be around these people and something of that sort. Tunnel vision, look at your end goal daily. Write to yourself daily. Read what you write daily, and love on you. Like, it doesn't matter what other people say. Hurt people because they're hurt, right? So you don't have to take what hurt people are doing to you and think that it's your fault. It's not. It is not your fault at all. You don't have to, I don't want you to blame yourself for anything that may have happened to you or that is happening to you. It's not your fault. They need help. They need some counseling, psychiatrists, some medicine, all that. That's them. But anyway, I'm through, y'all. So hopefully this message has helped someone to not blame themselves and to just become who they want to become. Like, really step into you, love on you, and all those good things. And here's the music. You wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need Y'all, this is a healthy choice that I'm having for lunch. It's like 1 o'clock. And so I'm going to take a break. And yeah, my living room is pretty much clean now, except for my little house shoes. And then I need to put my pillows back over there, but I was thinking about washing those. So, but yeah, y'all, this was a nasty one. Ooh, I struggled to get through it. I ate the majority of the broccoli that was in it, but it was disgusting, y'all.